If you are a Forex trader, surely you know that on Friday's U.S. session, gold closed above $2,500 an ounce. Amazing, incredible. So the question is, where will it go from here? As we know, as traders, nothing goes up forever, nothing goes down forever. Well, that's just one of the things that we will be looking at in this video. And yes, here we are with the regular weekly analysis, which I do on every Sunday before the market opens on Monday, with this week starting on the 19th of August going through to the 23rd of August. And as usual, we will look at our go-to website, forexfactory.com, for the high impact news. And then we will have a look at the profit and loss from last week's trade setups. And it was a very good, profitable week. I hope you did well. And then I share my swing trade setups with you. That's the pending orders that I have in place for this upcoming week. And I do all of this to help you make profit with your Forex trading. And turning to our forexfactory.com website, this is a screenshot which I share with you for our high impact news. And we have something every day this week except on Wednesday. And the main items I have highlighted for you. And particularly, you need to be aware of the FOMC meeting minutes, which is 1 a.m. on Thursday or just after midnight Wednesday in Southeast Asia. But the really one that we need to be watching out for is on Friday. And that will be our good buddy, Federal Chair Jerome Powell from the Federal Reserve of the U.S. will be speaking. And everyone knows, if you're a Forex trader and you watch the markets at all, this guy really likes to shake up the markets. So be aware of that one. Be sure and check forexfactory.com for your local times and be aware of all of these high impact news items. So let's have a look at the profit and loss from last week's trades. And starting off with XAU USD gold, I had a buy limit, and unfortunately it did not come down and hit our pending order at 24.20. It opened with a little bit of a downward movement, but did not quite get down to 24.20. However, it was bullish all week long except a little bit bearish on Wednesday and Thursday, and then just took off like a rocket on Friday. If you would have got in anywhere, you could have made profit during the week on gold. From the beginning of the upward move on Monday to the closing session on Friday, that was a move of 870 pips. With the Euro US, I had a buy limit on that one, and that one also did not execute, did not come down to the pending order. If you had got in anywhere here on Monday, that was a move of 120 pips. With the odd US, I had no clear direction on my analysis last week, so no trade taken on the odd US. With the New Zealand US, this was a good one, had a buy limit on that one. The pending order did open on Monday, went straight up Monday and Tuesday for a grand total of 92 pips profit on the New Zealand US. The pound US had a mind of its own during the week, did go a little bit the right direction with the pending order opening on Monday, but only gave us 22 pips on that before doing a complete flip-flop and then taking off on Friday like a rocket and going straight up. Then the USD CAD was a sell limit with a pending order opening on Monday, going a little bit sideways Tuesday morning, and then going the right direction, going sideways again, and then finally in the closing session on Friday, a total of 72 pips profit on the USD CAD. And then the UJ, the USD JPY, opened on Monday, went a little bit the wrong direction as a sell limit, okay, but then finally did pay off on Wednesday with 136 pips, but then on Thursday and Friday reacting to the high impact news that came out and really ending the week at the same place where it started at the beginning of the week. And now let's have a look at the swing trade setups, the pending orders that I have in place for this upcoming week. And I do all of this to help you make profit. But remember, this is not financial advice. Okay, I am not suggesting or recommending that you take the same trades. You can if you want to, it's up to you. But it's up to you to manage your own account, to use good risk management, and to protect your capital. There are inherent risks involved in trading, and you need to be aware of those. And the first one that we will start off with is gold, XAU USD, and of course I have a buy limit on that one. It's going to the moon, maybe. Remember, nothing goes up forever. Okay, we've had a bullish run for since last year. Okay, but we do often get corrections, retracements, or pullbacks, whatever you want to call them. But for the moment, gold is really making a big, strong move up, and we can expect to see a pullback, a retracement, after this huge move on Friday. Remember, last week was a move of 870 pips in just 1 week. All right, so what can we expect? What we might see, as usual, is when the Asian market opens on Monday, they will follow what the U.S. was doing when they closed on Friday. So we could see an immediate move up. But however, with this big move up, we're likely to see a correction, maybe not in the beginning of Monday, but it's likely to come back down and test 2,500. This is the first time we've been above 2,500. So it will be a first time test of this support level. And we could possibly break on down back to a stronger support level at 2,480. So these are the two areas or two zones that we need to be watching for to get a long trade and follow the continuing bullish movement with gold around 2480, or if it looks like it's just going to continue its ballistic move up, then hopefully we will get a correction back to 2500 where we can get in with a long trade. So those two zones are the ones to be watching out for this upcoming week. Do you think that gold will hit 3000 this year? Let's go back and look at the gold chart. If you look back at the daily chart on gold, on the 15th of February, the price was $19.91, and now we are at $2,500. In just 6 months, gold has moved up $500. So is $3,000 this year, is that out of the realm of possibilities? Let me know what you think in the comments below. And then with the Euro US and all of the major pairs, I am bullish. So on the Euro US, I have a buy limit at 1.1002. And with the odd US, I have also a buy limit with the entry price at 0.6640. With the New Zealand US is also a buy limit with the entry price at 0.6024. With the pound US, a buy limit with the entry price at 1.2885. The USD CAD is a sell limit with the entry price at 1.3695. And the UJ is a sell limit with the entry price at 147.861. And I haven't shown these for a couple of weeks, but I will go back and have a look at the daily chart, and we look at the DXY, the dollar index, and we'll see what that's doing. And we are seeing a continual decline with the dollar. Okay, it's right now at 102, and it has not been to 102 since March of this year. So we're seeing on the daily chart here continuing weakness of the US dollar, and that's why I'm bullish on the major pairs. And then if we look at the JPY basket, which is the Japanese yen compared with major currency pairs, and we're seeing a continuing strengthening of the Japanese yen, except for the last week, which we've had a lot of high impact news, which has caused this pullback or this correction. But remember, after such a big move with the support of the Central Bank of Japan coming in to support the Japanese yen, nothing goes up forever. Remember that. Okay, so we're getting a correction, a pullback. But on Friday's closing session, in fact, all day Friday, the Japanese yen started to strengthen. So we should see continuing strengthening of the Japanese yen, continuing to be bullish with the Japanese yen. And so that is a wrap for this weekly analysis. If you found this video by accident and you're interested in Forex and learning how to trade, you're more than welcome to join the 10 video tutorial that I have, which will take you through the setup, the foundation that you need to get started, to get a look and feel to see what Forex trading is like. And it's a free basic Forex trading course. Absolutely free, no obligation. And the link for that is in the description below. And of course, don't forget to hit that subscription button and be sure and click the little bell so you'll be notified every time I make one of these videos. So until the next video, wherever you are in the world, I hope you have a great week. I'll see you next time.